Hey guys, what's up, man? It's Lloyd Paul Sr. Taking a walk down the band office, cruising through by the bridge in Millbrook First Nation. Yes, God's country. Well, to me, because I was raised this way, raised in this neighborhood. Love it. Freaking. Walking up the road there, I seen a ghetto bird flying up and around me. Oh, ghetto bird, you must remember hearing that term. It's a helicopter. Hopefully everything's cool and nobody's stashing in the woods. Everybody behaving themselves and no danger or nothing like that. Probably just taking a little cruise. I wish I had a helicopter taxi. These hot days like this, dang. And I'm wearing a long sleeve shirt even. I don't know why. Don't ask me why, because I don't even know why. Alright. Hey man, I got to get going, because I'm going to be getting into the public. And you'll be like, oh no, I don't want to be on television. Take care, this is Lloyd Paul Sr. Have a good day. I'm just gonna go see my buddy down here for a minute. Pick up a couple pro line tickets. Bet on some football, baseball. Can't wait till hockey starts. Eh? Well, I'll be chucking my Res Famous shirt in the washer today. As soon as I get back. Woo! She's warm. Alright guys, you guys all have a good day. This is Lloyd Paul Sr. Yes!